Good afternoon, guys. We are in the grocery. We're going to buy egg and other things that I can eat. I don't know exactly what I am going to buy, but yeah, for sure some vegetable. I don't know which vegetable. Yeah, this kind of egg is still $3, right? I'm also going to take this one. I still have some at home, but that one is already 1 week, but it's still good. I'm using for my coffee. When I was in the Philippines, I didn't see this brand of coffee. Yeah, I just see it here in Australia. But last time when I was watching YouTube, and I saw this kind of coffee in the Philippines, a blog in the Philippines. So now Woolworth is using the, I mean, they don't have the free bag anymore. You need to buy your bag, or you need to bring your own bag. Like this. It seems like Aldi, you need to buy the bag from them, or you need to bring your own bag. That's how it works with Aldi. Yeah, I need to take this out from the bike because it is going to be raining tonight, or maybe tomorrow morning. Look how windy is it outside, mate. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, guys, good morning. It is now exactly 5 o'clock. Yeah, I'm going to, I already took shower last night before going to bed. I feel it's very dry, the face. Yeah. And with my bike in the early morning, when I get to work, my face is very red. It's like burned by the cold temperature and the wind. I will be going to the rain.
Oh, that's right. I was a little bit confused. Oh yeah, you have to ride your bike, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we just say we're not doing that.
Alright, I'll see you when I see you.
See you. We are ready, man. It is 2:38, but look at this. It almost looks like 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock. Yeah, it is raining, mate. I'm expecting this rain. That's why I have all these things with me, so that I can go through the rain, mate. What I don't have is the trouser, a rain trouser, but I already ordered from Anaconda store. And actually I got a message from Australia Post Office that it is going to be delivered today. I think it is already at home. I'm just not sure. So tomorrow, if it is raining again, I have my trouser, not this JB Hi-Fi plastic. Yesterday was very windy and a lot of waves, so much waves yesterday. When I come to work this morning, it was not raining. It was good. I actually see a lot of stars in the sky this morning. So as you notice, this is okay to drive in the rain like this. The problem is my camera. This time I am using the GoPro Hero 5. Oh, yeah. I checked because maybe Brydon is there and see me vlogging, because he saw me in the locker having this JB Hi-Fi skirt. going up, mate. I have just 3 lights on my battery. Oh, yeah, we came from there. It's been raining also last week, and I am using this bike even against the very strong rain, and that's the time I realized that this bike, even if it is electric bike, is still useful even in the rain. Yeah, the machine is still working properly. Last week I didn't able to record myself being in the rain with this bike because I don't know, I was focused on the Canon M50 and didn't able to realize that I have this waterproof GoPro Hero 5. It is now 5:15, but at the outside it already looks like 8, 9, 10 o'clock. Yeah, look at this. Already looks very dark already outside, right? Yeah, I just finished my dinner and I checked my phone and it says that my package have been delivered. So I get outside and I checked the mailbox and I found this. Where's that? And I found this package. Yeah, this is from Anaconda. Okay, this is it. Why like this? Size extra small, adults rain pant, rainwear. I thought it's a separate bag, but it's already part of the pants. It's like a, you know, like a pocket. Wow, amazing! It's actually a pocket. Wow. So it means that having this, I can already wear everything because I have rain jacket, I have this rain pants, so inside I can already wear my chef's jacket and my chef trouser, and it's ready. Yeah, but I still can't wear the shoes. Nice. Tomorrow I am day off, mate.